Good afternoon, it's James. We are sat in a 2021 Audi A1 new style. It's the GB chassis. Really good looking cars these are, and they're nice and pokey and well kitted out with the beautiful touchscreen and all the built-in features. So today we have done a genuine factory Highline reversing camera, and we've also done the front optical parking upgrade. Now if you get rear sensors from factory, they do nothing apart from beep. So what we've been able to do is replace the module for an 8-channel front and rear, and also a new switch panel down here, so that when we press the button, the parking sensors come up on the screen, and you also get your Highline reversing camera with moving guidelines. So if I just turn that off and start the engine, so same principle as normal, and that is as soon as you put your car into the reverse gear, your parking sensors will come live and your Highline camera appears on there. So I'm just going to move the guidelines like so. Now, a lot of the Volkswagen Highline cameras we do behave differently to the Audi. So with those cameras, you do get a bit more interaction with gesture control, and you can put your hand up here and get different modes. Well, Audi just stick to the fact that it's a reversing camera, there it is, it's widescreen, you've got moving guidelines, and we've got interaction with the parking sensors, albeit to one side rather than an overlay. So if I then just reverse up to the bollards a little bit more, parking sensors will come on, you can hear those beeping in the background. So continuous tone generally means we're about a foot away from an obstacle. Let's just pull forward just to stop all the beeps. And again, you'll notice on the screen, apart from the reversing camera, in conjunction with parking sensors, you get the moving guidelines, not only for the camera, but you get it for the parking sensors. And I'm in reverse. As soon as I go into drive, they switch to the front. Just in case you don't know what gear you're in, this is a little helping guide, and again we'll show you the trajectory of where you're going. So today we've done the Highline factory reversing camera for this MIB3, which is the newer MIB model in here. So it's the MIB3, only seen from late 2020, 2021. You've got other functions in here that will be set automatic activation. So for instance, if I was to drive up to the workshop now, it might be a little bit sunny, but if we would drive up to the workshop now, the system will automatically activate. Right, so for the front automatic parking, we've just jumped to this stage. Just purely once the handbrake is off and you haven't pressed your button, you're just going to drive up to something, and this could be a wall or the car in front or whatever, and it's going to activate automatically. And the reason why it does that is just purely to warn you that you are close to something in the front. Now you can go into the menu and turn that off, and also you can just press the X button and it gets rid of it. It's not for everyone, but it's there as a nice safety feature, and this is what all these modern cars are all about, is safety features. So let's go back into reverse. Got your moving guidelines, Highline camera, front and rear, optical parking sensors, Audi 2021 MIB3, and this is the GB chassis. If you've got a car like this and you want something fitted that's genuine, we can do all that for you, give you 2 years warranty, and give you peace of mind that it's all as seamless as it can be. Website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as always, we really appreciate you subscribing and watching, and this is the reason why we do these videos. So thank you again, keep watching, keep subscribing, and have a good day.